Good morning, students. Today we will continue with class 12 arts class education, and our topic which we were discussing is interest. Today is the second day of the chapter. In the last day we have discussed the definitions of interest. Today we are going to start with the characteristics of interest. You will get it in your book, and last day, for as I have told you, that definition of interest will come for 2 marks, and the characteristics of interest can come for 4 or 6 marks. You will get it in your book and PDF both. So let's start the discussion. Now, interests and feeling. So the characteristics will be written in the book like this: interest and feeling. Now see, the thing which we have interest, we feel about it a lot, isn't it? It is quite obvious. Means vice versa, when we feel for something, we feel interest of it, isn't it? So feeling and interest are quite related with each other. Feeling is a disposition, it is a characteristics of an individual by birth. So feeling can grow after birth, and by birth some features they used to bring the child. So as the feeling starts growing inside an individual, the interest on that particular topics starts simultaneously. So feeling and interest, first point what you will write in the characteristics is interest and feeling are correlated with each other. One is dependent on another one. If the feeling or the means what feel is expressed from the heart, the same on the particular topic, the interest will fall. Next, motive and interest. Motive means, we all know that there is a reason why we are doing something. Now you are listening to me, I am teaching to you. Whatever is happening in the earth, behind that there is a motive. Without any reason, without any motive, nothing happens in the world. So like that, motive and interest are also quite related. Why? When you are motivated something, when you are motivated to do something, you feel interest. You are bound to put your interest on it. Otherwise, how much motivated you will you be, your action will not work like that. So when you are interested on a particular part, you are motivated. Or simultaneously we can say, if you have some motive, you are bound to put interest on it. Motive means what? Suppose you have to finish 2 works within half an hour. So what will be your target? Your target and interest both will be divided into 2, means 15 minutes you will keep for the first work and other 15 minutes you will keep for the second, or if not, you can keep 20 and 10 minutes like that. So you are being motivated due to your interest, or you are feeling interested due to your motivation. As you have to complete the work, you have to do it in a certain period of time, you are motivated from within. So motive and interest are related. Number 3, need and interest. Now suppose need of money, it is a necessity, it is not a need, it is a necessity. How much money you have, you need more. So necessity and need both are interrelated. So when need you feel interest on it. Suppose you need to cook food, not only about money, we can say it anything. Suppose you need food but you don't have vegetables in your house, so you have the interest of going to the market, because today only you have to go, otherwise you have no vegetables to cook, isn't it? So when you are when you need something, you are motivated and you are interested. Now you have exam, suppose in the third language, in the English or in Bengali, in any subject, so you need to put interest on the particular chapters. So according to the need, you are putting your interest. So interest and need is related. Next, interest and sentiment. Now see, sentiment is another one disposition of human mind, means it is a characteristics or a feature which a child by birth used to bring with him, and some sentiments grow after growing up, isn't it? So with the particular object or with the particular environment or with the particular person, when you grow your sentiment, you feel interest on it. Suppose the idol of your life, suppose Mother Teresa, Mahatma Gandhi, different sorts of, or any great educators, Rabindranath Tagore, we have many idols in our life, isn't it? So when we see that something, some writing is on him or her, or some old facts are there, we use many multimedias now, Facebook, WhatsApp, we get message in from previous some experience, from previous experience which they have got, and we are getting the opportunity to read, we are related to our sentiment. That in Bengali people, Rabindranath Tagore is sentiment, isn't it? So whenever we see something which is related with Rabindranath Tagore, we used to read, not for everyone but for some people. The examples can be varied, isn't it? Individual to individual, it varies. So the people, suppose not only the great educators or great personalities, even if you are inspired with your parents word, if you are inspired with your grandparents word, what will happen? The sentiment will be related with his or her thoughts, isn't it? So when he or she will say you something, you will feel interested. So interest is quite related with sentiment. When one person or an object is related with your own sentiment, you feel interest on the particular thing. Next topic, interest and attention. It is quite obvious what the topic you are interested about, you pay attention to it. If you are paying attention to you will feel interested. There's nothing to describe. Suppose the topic which is being told to you, it is about your interest, you want to know more about it. So your mind, your will, your desire, everything will be related to it. And what will happen? You will feel interested and your attention will grow more. So more the attention, more the interest, more the attention, vice versa. More you pay attention, you will feel interested on the particular topic. Next topic, next point, sorry, interest with society or social environment. Now see, we all are living in different sorts of environment, social environment, isn't it? Our society, we are a part of society, and society is demanding something, some different thing from us, isn't it? According to the social life you are leading with, isn't it? So if you do something awkward, maybe that is good or that is bad, you will be marked as something else, isn't it? If you do something else what everyone is doing, you will be marked as a different one from everyone, isn't it? So there's a high position of the society in our personal life. When we are leading our life, where we are living, the environment, the surrounding, the people we are leading with, dealing with, the people we are interacting with every day is very important. So you have to do your actions according to the need of the society. So interest is quite related with the society. The environment where there is peace, calm and quietness, there you will see the child who is born and brought up, the nature is very calm and quiet, and the vice versa, the opposite things also happens. The environment what is not actually even you will see that suppose you are studying, the atmosphere, the environment, the out of your house, there's a loud music, there's a loud sound, people are shouting. So what will happen? You will be distracted from your mind of interest or mind of attention, where you are paying attention to it. So the influence of society is there. So interest and society, another thing, another point I can say, that see, the society where you are living, your interest will grow according to that. Suppose you are seeing right after the bath, you are seeing that there's an atmosphere of culture programs and social gatherings. So you have a mindset up that yes, the interest should go on building up interactions between people, mixing with each other. In the family, those the parents are very isolated from the others, you will see the child is also like that. He or she is unable to mix with the other people, they are unable to interact with the other people. So the interest or the inner feature which will grow or develop in an individual is highly influenced by society. So these are the all characteristics which we will get in the book, separately written. You will get it in PDF. In the next day we will start with the last part, that is the third part, interest and the influence of learning. Thank you.